What's up everyone, this is YouTubeKeN. I'm back with another video. I wanted to do an installation video. I did buy some paint protection film, PPF, whichever you want to call it, for my rockers on the driver's side and the passenger side. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I will give you a little B-roll of that where it's located on the car. As you all know, the paint is very thin, especially towards the bottom of that part. But you all know that I did buy PPF for the front bumper, which has helped a lot. Did not want to spend almost $6,000 to PPF the whole car. So I did buy this. It was around $179, which is not bad to do it yourself. Make sure that I don't get any rock chips on that part of my car since the paint is very thin. What I want to do is just show you what came in the kit, and I will try my best to show you me applying at least one side. And this is definitely a better solution than taking it to a professional and spending thousands of dollars. Okay, so this is the little box that it came in. That's what it says there, Model 3 Rocker paint protection film. And this is what comes in there. As you see, PPF slip solution and the PPF tack bottle. I believe the slip solution already has some type of soap in there. And those two, and of course, this is the actual PPF. This one right here is for the driver's side to the left. And as you can see right here, it's labeled. And this side is the passenger side. Also, they give you a squeegee. TESBROS do have a website where they post every Monday. I'll leave that in the description below as well. And we'll get these filled up and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm in my kitchen. I want to fill these bottles up with water. I prefer to use distilled water. I don't think you have to fill it up all the way. Put that back on there. We're gonna give it a little shake. Let me look and see if there are suds in there. So that's good. So we're gonna screw that. So that one's done. So I'm gonna fill this one up. This does not have any type of solution at all. And now we're gonna take this alcohol. That should be good enough. But do not shake it. You just do this. Let's go to the car now. I don't know if y'all like that or not. That took at least an hour to try to do. I say leave it up to the professionals. Pay your money. It's very difficult. It does have some bubbles in there. I know some of those bubbles will come out. They're not like too big from what the instructional video said, but
I don't know how many are going to come out.
Hopefully y'all enjoyed that little entertainment, because I don't even know if I want to do the other side, to be honest with you. I do have another video coming out, and it will be PPF the headlights, which should be way easier. I just don't want them to yellow over time. I'm just trying to protect this as much as I can. Spend a lot of money on that. Please leave me a comment, let me know what you think, and punch that like button, and think about subscribing to my channel if you see fit. This is YouTubeKeN. I'll see you in the next video.